Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter statistics, and the lessons we're going to cover from the chapter are calculate mean, median, mode and range, interpret charts for mean, median, mode and range, mean, median, mode and range, find the missing number, changes in mean, median, mode and range. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 7 math. The chapter we are on right now is statistics. Let's just start with the first chapter, that is calculate mean, median, mode and range. Okay, what is the mean? You are given the numbers 1, 2, 7, 4, and 6. You need to calculate the mean of the number. So the mean is the average of the numbers, right? You find the mean by adding numbers together and then dividing by the number of numbers in the group. First thing is you need to add them or add all these numbers, right? Then they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. You have to divide it by the 5, right? So basically the mean is the average of the numbers. You have to add all the numbers and divide by the number of numbers in the group. So you have to add them. 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4 plus 6 is 20. So they are 5 in numbers. You have to divide it by the 5. That means the mean is 4, right? Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. You can have a look on the tutorial one by yourself, right? Because they are already solved. Okay, the first one is, what is the mean? That's the one we just did on the tutorial. So what you have to do, you have to add all these numbers. Whenever you need to calculate the mean, simply add all the given numbers and divide by the number. You have 5 in number. Divide by the number of numbers. They are 5 in number. You have to divide 20 by 5, and 20 by 5 equals 4. So the correct option is 4. Got it? The correct option is 4. Okay, the correct option is 4. Let's just move on to next one. The next one is, in preparation for a move across town, Hugo packed 7 boxes weighing 7 pounds, 5 pounds, 6 pounds, 5 pounds, 8 pounds, 9 pounds, and 7 pounds. What was the median of the box? You need to calculate the median. Whenever you need to calculate the median, the very first thing you have to do is arrange them from least to greatest, right? So they are 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 7, 8, and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now you have to find, there are 7 in numbers. You have to find exactly the middle number. You have 3 numbers here and 3 numbers here. This is exactly the middle one, that is known as the median. Before the median, you have all the numbers that are greater than the median, greater than or equal to median. Got it? So the median is 7. Median is the middle number. You have to arrange the numbers and then you have to find the middle one. Got it? The correct option is 7 because the median is 7, right? What is the mod? Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data, right? You can see you have 4, 4, 4, 0, 0. So 4 appears 3 times and 2 zero appears two times in the given data, right? So which number appears most of the time? 4 is the number that appears most of the time. So the correct option is 4, because 4 is the number that appears the most of the time. So 4 is the number, right? The correct option is 4, because 4 appears 3 times in the given data. What is the median? You have to find the median, right? Again, for the median, you need to arrange them from least to greatest. Let's just arrange them. 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, and 8, right? They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have three numbers over here, three numbers over here. So 4 is the median. Got it? The correct option is 4. 4 is the median. The correct option is 4. What is the median? Again, you need to arrange them from least to greatest. So let's just arrange them. They are 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 10, right? So which is the median? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 8. The correct option is 8. 8 is the median. The coach carried footballs to practice 7 times this year. Each time he brought 5 footballs, 6 footballs, 6 footballs, 6 footballs, 8 footballs, 7 footballs, and 6 footballs. So, what was the mod of the numbers of footballs? So, which is the correct option? The correct option is, you have to find the mod. Mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the data. So, I think 6 is the mod, because 6 appears 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So, 6 is the mod. The correct option is 6. Okay, what is the mean? You have to add all these numbers and divide them. Divide by the number of numbers: 1, 2, 3, 10, 9, 19, and 1, 30, and 9, 39, and 1, 40, and 48 is, they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in number. So divided by the 6, and the mean is 8. The correct option is 8, right? The correct option is 8. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson, and the next lesson is interpret charts for mean, median, mode, and range, right? So let's just start with the next lesson. Some students sold cookies for a fundraiser. What is the range of the numbers? You have to find the range of the numbers. Okay, so how do we find the range of the numbers? Let's see what numbers they are. 4, 3, 1, 4, 3. You need to calculate the range of the numbers. Whenever we need to calculate the range of the numbers, we always subtract the greatest number minus the, we always subtract the smallest number out of the greater one, right? So smallest number is 1, the greater number here is 4. So just do 4 minus 1 and the range here is 3. The correct option is 3. Got it? Range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest number in the given numbers, right? That would be 6 minus 1 and that is 5. Okay, let's just start with the test question. Winton kept a driving log to see how many miles he drove each day. What is the mod of the numbers? Okay, which number appears the most of the time? You can see here 1. You have one, two, three dots in front of 1. 9 have 2 and 10 have 2, right? So mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data. So the mod is 1. The correct option is 1. The school district compared how many math teachers each high school has. What is the mod of the numbers? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 9 is the mod, right? The correct option is 9. Okay, Pam looked at her email outbox to see how many emails she sent each day. What is the median of the numbers? You have to calculate the median, right? So the numbers are, you have to calculate their median, right? The numbers are 5, 9, 10, 7, 3. Right? Let's just arrange them from least to greatest. 3, 5, 7, 9, and 10. So 7 is the median. The correct option is 7. Right? 7 is the median. Kelly looked at her calendar to figure out how much time she spent babysitting each month. What is the mod of the numbers? You have to calculate the mod. So mod is the number that appears the most of the time on the given data. So which is the correct option? You can see this one. They are here you have 3 times, right? That is 8. That means the mod of the numbers is 8. The correct option is 8. Roger kept track of how many boxes of cookies he sold over the past 5 days. What is the range of the numbers? Which is the correct option? The range is the difference between the least and the greatest number. Here is the least one, 7, and here the greatest one, here is the least one. 7 minus 2 equals 5. That is the range of the numbers. The correct option is 5. The correct option is 5. 8 minus 2, 6 it is, not 7, right? The correct option is 6 it is, right? Victor graphed the amount of snow that fell in the last 5 days. What is the median of the numbers? Okay, you have to calculate the median. 8, 7, 10, 10, 10. So just arrange them from least to greatest. The median is 10. The correct option is 10. The correct option is 10. Dick wrote down the number of times his classmate drew a number between 2 and 8. What is the mean of the numbers? You have to calculate the mean, right? They are 2, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3. Let's just add them. 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 it is. You have to divide 1 to 7. Hold on, you have to calculate the median of the numbers, mean of the numbers, right? So the numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 35. 35 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7. The correct option is 5. You have to divide these numbers, not the one represented. You have to add the numbers that are 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 divided by 7, that is 35 over 7, that is 5. The correct option is 5. The correct option is 5. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to the next one. The next one is mean, median, modern range. Find the missing number. Lester has the following data. If the median is 8, what number could M be? Median means the middle number, right? If you arrange them, 8 is the median, right? Before 8, you have all the numbers that are less than 8, and after 8, you have all the numbers that are greater. You can see 11 and 12, they are the two numbers greater than 8. That means M must be less than 8, right? It could be any number that is less than 8, maybe 4, maybe 5. The median is M is 2, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Carrie has the following data. If the median is 10, what number could Q be? Right? Median 10 means 10 is the middle one. Before 10, you have the numbers that are less than, numbers that are greater than 10. So here you have Q. That means Q must be less than 10. And that is, you have the options given 20 and 7. So which is less than 10? 7, it is. The correct option is 7. Rick has the following data. If the mod is 13, what could J be? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 13, it is, because 13 is the mod. That means 13 appears most of the time. Here you have 13 only twice. That means J must be 13. Okay, Kimberly has the following data. What if the range is 4? What number could Y be? Which is the correct option? Range is 4. Range is the difference between the greatest and the smallest number in the given data, right? Let's suppose if greatest is 11, which is the smallest number that have the difference. I think there's something wrong with the options. Let me just see the solution. Oh, 12 it is. Because here you have 8 and 12 minus 8 is 4. The correct option is 12. Lester has the following data. If the median is 8, what number could M be? Which is the correct option? If the median is 8, M is 2. The correct option is 2, right? Lemon has the following data. If the mod is 5, what number could D be? Yes, D is 5 because mod is the number that appears the most of the time in the given data, right? So D must be 5. Blanca has the following data. If the mean is 12, what could D be? Which is the correct option? The correct option is 11 it is. Oh, 17 it is. Monica has the following data. If the mean is 9, what number could N be? Yes, the correct option is 7 is the correct option and must be 7, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is changes in mean, median, mode and range. Look at the set of 10 numbers. How would the range change if the number 26 replaced by the number 85 in the set, right? For example, 85 is replaced by 26. You have to see how the range changes, right? 85 is now 26. The greatest number now is 98 minus the smallest number is 26. 72 it is, right? That means the range could be, okay, for this given data, you have range is the greatest number. The greatest number is 98 minus the least one. The least one is 27 for this data, right? That would be 71. Now you have to replace that 86 to 85 to 26, right? So that would be the greatest number and minus latest number is 26 now. So that would be 72. So the range is increased by 1. Okay, let's just start with the practice questions. Look at the set of 8 numbers. If the mean change, how would the mean change if the number 50 were added to the set, right? Let's just calculate the mean right away, right? Simply add them all, divide by the number of values. So they are 20 plus 57 plus 50 plus 51 plus 18 plus 81 plus 94 plus 20. The sum is 391. 20, 57, 50, 51, 18, 80. 81 18 18 plus 94 plus 20, that is 328, and 301 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 328 by 8 is 41. The mean of the numbers that are given is 41, right? Okay, now add 50. You added one more number, right? So 328 plus 50 is 323 plus 50 is 378 and divide by the 9. So that is 378 divided by 9. That is 42. It is just increased, right? The mean is increased. The correct option is increased. Because you are adding another number, obviously the mean would be increased. Look at the set of 9 numbers. How would the mod change if you replace 96 by the number 28? 96 is replaced by 28. Now the mod is Mod would be mod is the number that appears 96 is replaced by 28. Mod is the same number, not increased, neither increased nor decreased. That would be the same number. Increase, how increase? The mod is 96. Oh, that is increased. The correct option is increased, right? Earlier you have the mod 28. Now you have the mod 96. So the correct option is increased, right? Look at the set of 9 numbers. How would the median change if you replace 99 by the number 24 in the set? Okay. You replace the number 99. 24 is replaced by 99. Let's just arrange them from least to greatest. 99, 97, 70, 68, 44, 25, 22, and 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number I forgot? 99. Hold on. 99, 97, 70, 68, 44, 35 I have missed. Okay. So that is the one. The median is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 44 is the median. Yes, increased it is. The correct option is increased. Look at the set of 8 numbers. How would the range change if the number 32 is replaced the number 61 in the set? Okay, for this one, the range is the greatest number minus the least one, 20. For this one, you have the range 41, right? Now let's just replace 32 replaced by 61. Just replace the 61 by 32. Now the greatest number is 49 and the least one is 14. Is okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 7 math. The chapter we were working on is statistics. The lessons we have covered today are calculate mean, median, mode and range, interpret charts to find mean, median, mode and range, mean, median, mode and range, find the missing number. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in the interactive session, right? So we have Wednesday and Thursday we are off for Eid, right? So we don't have any live session. So that's all for today. If you have any question, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, that's all